We start at 10 with new information on the U.S. pulling the Johnson & Johnson vaccine amid clotting concerns. In the coming hours, the CDC is having an emergency meeting to decide how to handle the vaccine.
And late tonight, all 50 states suspended use over instances of clots, 6 of those in fact. But all of this now drives a new concern: vaccine hesitancy. News 4's Alexis Zotos is live at one of the Metro's mega vaccine centers, the Dome downtown. Alexis.
So the potential side effect from this vaccine is extremely rare. But what health professionals here in St. Louis and around the country are really worried about is the vaccine hesitancy that could come from this. We are already seeing thousands of appointments going unfilled, including here at the Dome Vaccine Clinic, and they worry that could get worse with this news. Things are pretty quiet at the Delwood Rec Center.
We definitely noticed a reduction in the number of people coming to see us today.
They believe it's due to the Johnson & Johnson news breaking, which is when the National Guard site had to make an early morning pivot.
So what we were able to do, we were able to work with our partners and we were able to substitute the Moderna vaccine for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Sandra Bradley got her first dose today.
I was scared at first.
She's one of many in the community with hesitancy around the vaccine, but being 63 and diabetic, she decided to get it, despite opposition from her family.
My daughter was upset.
The worry is that hesitancy will increase, something health professionals are trying to combat.
This is really the beginning of the story. And we have to make sure that we finish it and have the truth at the end.
Dr. Melissa Tapey at Affinia Health says they've given about 900 Johnson & Johnson vaccines, but only about a dozen in the last 2 weeks.
We are reaching out to those folks just so that we know that they're aware and kind of aware what to look for, even though we also just want to reassure them.
Assure them this is rare. Right now, with just 6 women reporting blood clots out of 6.8 million who've received the Johnson & Johnson shot. But she says the FDA is doing its job, and it's exactly why patients are asked to report symptoms. Here's what you can look for.
Headache, dizziness, blurry vision, perhaps. Those would be the most common things.
So Dr. Tapey says an important thing to remember is that blood clots are a side effect of a lot of different things, including estrogen birth control, being pregnant, being overweight. So those are also things that could cause potential blood clots. Now, we have heard from the state of Missouri tonight. They say there have been 0 reported cases of any blood clotting related to the vaccine here in Missouri. Reporting live, Alexis Zotos, News 4.
Alexis, thank you. With